This channel, Virtual Sci-Pack, posts simple animated videos made with AI and has gained over 700k subscribers in just 1 year. He is getting about 10 million views every month, making him about 29k to $473,000, and since he posts shorts only, I am guessing that he is making somewhere around $30,000 to $40,000 from YouTube ads alone. And remember, this does not include brand deals. With 700k subscribers, he can easily charge $10,000 to $15,000 per sponsored videos. So today I will make similar animation in front of you within 2 minutes and will show you the results. These new AI animations have a lot of potential, as these animations are new to the viewers, so they just love watching these videos. So if you want to make similar animated videos with the help of AI and want to earn thousands of dollars from YouTube, then stick with me until the end of this video, and I promise you will have the power to bring your ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend, or even a paintings to life.
Like this video and subscribe to this channel, honey.
So my friends, when it comes to creating animated videos, we need a character, right? Fortunately, there are tools like Midjourney or DALL-E 2 that can help us with that. But in this video, we won't go into the detail about Midjourney because Midjourney is not free anymore. And in this video, we will only look for free AI tools. In today's video, we will use the easiest way to find the characters we want by using a free AI tool called Lexica. When you visit the website and search, you will discover various of characters that you can use. If you prefer not to use them directly, you can easily copy their prompts and paste them into this box and click on generate to create a new image. While exploring Lexica, I found many cartoon characters, but this one is my favorite. I will download it right away, and now we have the character we need for our video. Now let's get rid of the background of this image and turn it to green. It's super easy, guys. Just open up your browser and search for a background color changer. There are a lot of websites that can do this. Pick any website you prefer and change the background color to green. After that, download the modified image. So we now have an image generated by AI with green backgrounds. It's looking awesome. Now to inject life into this, there is a simple method we need to follow. Visit this website called DID by typing did.com in your browser. Scroll down and you will see an option that says create free AI videos. Click on that option. After that, sign up using your email ID. You will receive a verification link in your email inbox that you need to verify. And that's it. You are all set to become an animator. Next, go to the dashboard of DID and you will need to click on create video. Then click on this add icon and you will be able to upload an image. I have already picked my character and jazzed up their background color. By the way, there are already many AI presenters available here, so you can also use any of them. Friends, our AI characters has been uploaded. Now we need to add a voiceover, and there are two ways to do this. The first option is to use your own voice if you have the proper voice recording setup. It is important to take good care of your audio recordings, because if your voice doesn't stand out, your viewers will scroll through and your videos will never go viral. But if you don't have the necessary equipment or setup for your voiceover, fret not. There's a fantastic AI alternative. You can make use of professional AI tools like speaktts.com to generate incredibly engaging voiceovers. These tools employ advanced technology to provide high quality audio that will bring your animation to life and captivate your audience. So even without a fancy setup, you can still create captivating voiceovers
that will elevate your animations to the next level.
Now, once you have your voiceover, just click here and upload the audio file. I have already created one with SpeakTTS. So let me upload my audio file. After your audio file has been uploaded, just click generate and then click generate once again. This will take a little time, and within a couple of minutes, your animations will be ready just like this one.
Believe you can, and you are halfway there.
Now let's discuss about the second method, where we will type text and our AI image will speak it. This time I will go ahead and select a presenter that is already available inside DID and change its background to green or any other color you prefer. The good thing is that there is an option to change the background color to green. It will help you to remove or replace background in any video editing software using the chroma key effect. Now let's write our script and then click on generate, and you will need to click on generate again. And friends, in a short while our video will be ready. We can then proceed to download it as well.
If you are looking for regular YouTube tutorials, please like this videos, subscribe to Create with SD, and remember to enable the notification bell.
Now you know how to create animations easily with the help of AI. I just created a similar channel and till now I got 48.7k views, and this is a lot since all of my shorts are in education niche. But if you want tons of views on your shorts, then check out this video right here where I showed the top 10 YouTube short niches to get a lot of views fast. But before that, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will meet you in the next video.